Hi, my name is Chris Cook, Product Manager at Hawkridge Systems, and today I'll give you a brief overview of Custom Tools. Custom Tools is a gold certified product of SOLIDWORKS that automates certain SOLIDWORKS or Enterprise PDM daily routines when it comes to data management. Custom Tools enables you to manage your design data with more consistency, giving you more time for design and modeling. Custom Tools is not a PDM system and can be used with or without SOLIDWORKS Enterprise PDM. Let's have a look at batch printing. Custom Tools enables you to print an entire package at once, ensuring the drawings are always printed in the correct size, orientation, and order, driven by the bill of materials or any property you choose. Like batch printing, you can convert all assembly drawings to multiple formats at once. Custom Tools supports all 25 SOLIDWORKS conversion formats. You can fully automate the creation of your PDF and DXF files. You can even merge all the converted PDF drawings into a single PDF document. Custom Tools manages the custom properties of your SOLIDWORKS documents. A wide variety of powerful options let you customize your own property pane, including serialization and concatenation. The ERP Link enables searching and linking values from your ERP to the properties of your SOLIDWORKS documents. These links allow the automation of SOLIDWORKS BOM exports to your ERP system, or even the creation of new items. It takes only 2 clicks to generate Excel reports. Examples include drawing lists, bills of materials, and spare parts lists, all with embedded 3D model previews. These reports can even be customized to retrieve data from your ERP. Using your own naming rules, you can easily copy and rename entire assemblies. Assembly component properties are easily modified, and design library and toolbox files can be excluded. Custom Tools offers multiple options for working with sheet metal or weldment parts. For example, you can automate the creation of your DXF or DWG files from the parts or from the drawings. I will create a new part in SOLIDWORKS to show how Custom Tools is used to automate and enforce your file naming rules. Custom Tools uses custom property values to generate file names. Sequences are freely defined and shared between multiple users, and multiple properties can be combined to generate the name. In this example, we see the file name was automatically generated. The project features in Custom Tools apply default project-specific property values and automatically direct the model and drawing files to appropriate save locations. We can see in this example that the file was automatically saved in the correct location. The search tools give you the flexibility to search by file type, specific custom property values, or freely search all properties. There are many reasons why SOLIDWORKS users should consider Custom Tools. The automation in Custom Tools will save you hours on every project. Your data is a critical part of your products, so optimizing the way that data is managed will ease your workload. Further leverage your investment in SOLIDWORKS and Enterprise PDM by adding capabilities and automation not already available. Configure Custom Tools to adapt SOLIDWORKS and Enterprise PDM to your business rules. Finally, by automating your rules, you will reduce errors and improve the quality of your data. Custom Tools has already helped thousands of customers around the world. One of these is Yomet, a Finnish company specializing in packaging automation, palletizing, robotics, and conveyors. Yomet faced an all-too-common challenge. Too much time was spent on tasks that add no value to the project. Printing and file conversions were done manually, along with exporting bills of materials for use in ERP. Before Custom Tools, a project would take from 5 to 7 weeks, of which 50% was not related to CAD modeling. After Custom Tools, they now take only 3 to 4 weeks for each project, spending 90% of their time on important tasks that add real value and quality. For more information, please contact Hawkridge Systems or visit our website